Hello, dear doers, and welcome to this new accounting smart class. My name is Abdul Ghani Fawad Hussain. Together, the different features that enables you to manage your budget in Odoo. So let's see how to configure in your database. First, you have to set up a period, so you have to put a start which journal items you want to track in. Then afterwards, you need to structure budget lines, and these budget lines are: track the general items based on two. The first one is going to be the budgetary position and the second is going to be the analytic account. Let's see together how we structure this and how this works. A budgetary position is basically a group of financial from your chart of accounts that you are under a budgetary position. So if you want to track all your expenses, you're going to put one budgetary position. For in this budgetary position, you're going to put all your expense accounts, if you choose only budgetary. In the budget line, we're going to track all the journal items that are on the general accounts that belong to this budgetary position, so we only track which have the proper financial account. The second option would be to filter them general items by analytic account, so all the journal items with the corresponding analytic account in it, while in the budget line we're going to retrieve all the analytic items generated from those accounting entries because they have the proper analytic in it. And then the last possibility is to combine those two criteria, and in that case we're going to apply, and so we're going to have all the analytic entries behind it, for which the accounting entry have the financial account from the budgetary. And on those accounting entries, the one that have the proper analytic account. So it's a combination of the two criteria. So let's identify the different concepts around budget management. So as I said, you have the budgetary of selected accounts from the chart of accounts in order to filter the journal that involve those accounts. Then you have the planned amount. So in the budget lines, you're going to have different types of amount. The first one is the result that you expect fully, and the determined combination of and analytic accounts and or an ADQ. This is the manual part where your budget amounts, if it's meant to, it must be positive, and if it's meant to, the amount must be negative. Then comes the practical amount, so it's the current result regarding the budgetary position. So basically, you're going to take if based on the criteria that you've put a budgetary position and an ASIC account, some general items that fit into the description, it's going to be reflected in the practical amount, and you're going to be able to identify in details